Welcome to Hustle Highway. Today, we're diving into the financial mistakes you should absolutely avoid. These common pitfalls can have a significant impact on your financial health. Neglecting your finances is a major mistake. Stay organized, track your spending, and review your financial statements regularly. Avoid spending more than you earn. Living beyond your means can lead to debt and financial instability. High-interest debt can spiral out of control. Prioritize paying off high-interest loans to save on interest charges. Investing without understanding the risks can lead to losses. Educate yourself or seek professional advice before investing. An emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses for unexpected costs. Don't rely solely on Social Security for retirement. Start saving early and invest for a secure future. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can control your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination.